This video from Sam4S ER, we're taking a look at an unusual problem you can get on cash registers. So in this video I'm using the Sam4S ER-900 series, but the problem has happened to me on different manufacturers, different tills, probably half a dozen times over the last couple of decades. So it's worth watching. It's basically on this till we've got like unresolvable error messages and nothing's working. So I'll show you how the till's presenting, how the problem's presenting, and then also show you the resolution on this machine. So if we turn the machine on and turn it around to the reg mode, so the machine's powered up, the displays are working, you can see there that the receipt reacted, it like moved on, but if I press a PLU button, nothing happens. I'm getting no response from the till. If I try and cash this sale off, which is often a resolution to a problem during a transaction, basically nothing happens. The printer's not reacting, the keyboard's not reacting, and obviously the display's not changing. If we turn around to X, it says manager mode, but again none of the buttons actually do anything. And if we go to Z or PGM, then we're just getting a warning sequence error. So the first thing I tried to do to correct the error was to do what's called an initial clear, which is where you power the machine off at the side, turn the key round to PGM, press and hold down the cash button, and then try and power the machine back on, and that should do an initial clear, which usually resolves any error messages. But then I've got sequence error, as you can see. I can't clear the error unless I turn the key back to reg. There's a slight clue on the display now, it's saying PLU 91. So one of the things to check, particularly on a flat keyboard machine, is the state of the buttons. So on these, the way the machine's designed, you can only see the keyboard cover. So I thought, let's have a look at what's going on underneath. So I'll take the keys off here. Lift off the cover. So we can see there the actual true, what the manufacturer called keys, I call buttons, and so all your PLUs are over here. They all look exactly the same, and we're just looking here, and there's one, I hope it comes across in the video, there's one that's basically been jammed in, so the button's been pressed down too hard or too long, and the button itself has got stuck. So we should just be able to wiggle it free. So you see how easy that wiggled free. I'll pop my keys back in, see if I can cash the sale off. Yep, so now I'm getting a reaction. I press the cash button, that sale's cleared. I think it was that button, yeah, PLU 91, so that's the one I think that was flat and was causing the problem. But that all appears to be working now, so I'm going to pop the default cover back on. Keyboard back in. Keys back in there, and then we can see that was PLU 91, kids drink, water, burger chips, spam fritter. So yeah, everything's working again. So that won't resolve every error you get, but if you're a bit stuck and you've got a flat keyboard machine, or in fact any register, I've had it on retail tills before where you're getting error messages that don't make any sense, and whatever mode you get to you can't do anything in, it's worth having a double check when the machine's switched off, see if any of the buttons are pressed down in that locked format. Because obviously what's happening is, because PLU 91 was pressed down, when we turned the key the till was unresponsive, and then we try to press any other buttons, even doing the initial clear, the till's thinking, well, you're holding down PLU 91, so I'm not going to do the initial clear or the flag clear. Okay, I hope that video's been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of, in particular, Sam4S cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.